It is said that, when humans collide with walls at supersonic speeds, it will turn into powder, even completely disappear. Is this true? The rumored Terminator team expressed doubts about this. They will conduct experiments on the railway tracks. Adam fixed the dummy on the rocket car. For the sake of aesthetics, he also dressed the dummies in cool superhero costumes. Wear the same mask as Bruce Lee. Jamie inserted 10 long barrel rockets into the cart. This type of rocket launcher has extremely fast speed. The speed generated by a single rocket jet can reach 1,287 kilometers per hour. It can be imagined how fast 10 rockets are. Start of experiment. The dummy collided with the stone wall at the end of the track at sonic speed.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!